we're asking ourselves, why not go for cloud? My name is Fred Lee. I work for Qingdao Haier as the global CIO. Haier is already a global company. We have manufacturing services, R&D centers worldwide. The global network is one of my top priorities to optimize the connectivity, also to support my business strategy, which is smart home strategy. And in IT, I have to make the cloud first and also mobile first. Based on the POC, we can save costs of 40% of my operational spending. Working with the Orange Business Services in the last few years, I do see OBS is a trusted partner for me. Opening the Orange Labs in Beijing, focusing on the future technologies such as artificial intelligence, 5G, or other new technologies, give me further confidence on the partnership. Our new customers, especially the new generations, they would like to have their own ideas built in our products and services. Cloud gives us the scalability, flexibility, as well as also speed into the manufacturing setup.